So here we are on my LinkedIn profile. Don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn if you haven't already done so. And this video is all about how we can send a direct audio message to people here on LinkedIn. But the vast majority of people here on LinkedIn don't even know that this feature is available. So let me click on the messaging tab and it's going to bring up all the messages that I've been sending to people here on LinkedIn. Now I can get 20 or so messages in a day. So for me, it can be a bit of a time consuming process. So being able to send an audio message, like you can see here with the blue timeline and it says 19 seconds, being able to do that is a great time saver. This was a message from Beth saying, hey, from Memphis, she liked my YouTube channel, so I just thanked her for that. This particular message here from Nicole was just saying thank you. She wanted to connect with me, so I thanked her for that. This one's from Vincent. He's enjoying my YouTube videos as well. Another one from Dora, another one from Richard, as you can see. So being able to send an audio message where I can just speak the response saves me a lot of time. So how do we actually do that? Now I'm actually showing you this currently on my desktop, but being able to send an audio message is only available via my mobile phone and tablet device. So let me switch over to my mobile phone so I can show you exactly how to do it. And back on my LinkedIn profile we are, this time on my mobile phone. So I'm now going to need to click on the Home tab. And then the top right, there's some few little dots with the message bubble. I'm going to click on that and it brings me to my direct message screen. And you can see I've been able to send quite a few messages just over the last few minutes. Being able to send audio messages allows me to do it very quickly, like I was able to do here with Donna. I have one message that I haven't responded to, and I'll just scroll down here, and it's from Mohit. So Mohit has sent me a message. He's an online content provider, that type of thing. So if I wanted to, send him a message the old-fashioned way, I'd have to type in the message here, and it might take me a minute or two to actually do all of that. But being able to send an audio message makes it really simple. So you can see over here on the right-hand side, there is a microphone icon. So if I click and hold on that microphone, I'm going to have a pop-up feature will happen, which will allow me to record that message and send it to him. So let me show you how to do that right now. Good morning, Mohit. Thank you for the connection here on LinkedIn. Thank you for the message. If I need your services, I will be in touch. Have a great day. Now, I can send the voice message or I can cancel it, but I'm going to click send, and then it's auto-populated here with my 10-second recording thanking Mohit that you just heard me say. And that's how simple it is. That's how simple, quick and easy it is to send a voice message here on LinkedIn.